Investing in our company is a commitment to our Pursuit family, to our community, to our customers, and to our dealers. We are also committed to investing in Fort Pierce, in Florida, in the USA. That's why Pursuit boats are built here, now and in the future. But our latest commitment started well before the groundbreaking ceremony. With extensive input, planning, and design, this comprehensive expansion takes our Fort Pierce manufacturing facilities to nearly 400,000 square feet. As we ensure each and every Pursuit boat produced here meets our exacting standards, we are also reinforcing our ability to meet the ever-increasing demand for them. Going forward, our existing plant will continue manufacturing our smaller line of luxury fishing boats, while the new space will be devoted to larger models. Not only will this bigger footprint allow us to expand our product portfolio, giving our customers more choices, it means we can grow our Pursuit family. Designed and built in under a year, a feat unto itself, our brand new 182,000 square foot facility has us well on our way. Another milestone is in the books for Pursuit Boats. Let's build our next chapter together.